Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? Open your social studies book. Let's see the contents. And today we will read Unit 2, Clean and Healthy. Page number 12. Unit 2, page number 12. Clean and healthy. Keeping clean. How do we keep ourselves clean? Here are some ways of keeping clean. Brush your teeth in the morning and at night. Look at the picture, student. She is brushing her teeth. आप लोग करते हैं सुबह और रात को दांत ब्रश? Have a bath or a shower every day. Did you know you can save water if you turn the tap off while brushing your teeth? तो स्टूडेंट्स, आप लोग भी ट्राई किया करो, जब आप लोग ब्रश कर रहे होते हो टैप को बंद कर दिया करें. Come to the page next. Page number 13. Keep your nose clean. Use your handkerchief or a tissue. आप लोग भी हैंकरचीफ और टिश्यू का इस्तेमाल किया करें. Wash your hands before eating anything. Wash your hands with soap after you have been to the toilet. Cut your nails regularly. Keep them clean. Comb your hair. तो स्टूडेंट्स, आप लोग भी डेली अपने हेयर्स को डेली कॉम किया करें. मुझे उम्मीद है कि आप लोग भी साफ रहने के लिए यही तरीके इस्तेमाल करते होंगे. Questions. Question number 1 is, what other things do you do to keep clean? So students, what other things do you do? Write here the answer. Question number 2, what things do you need to keep yourself clean? Use the pictures to help you. So we need comb, soap, nail clipper, handkerchief और टिश्यू और बाकी जो आप लोग को सही लगते हैं स्टूडेंट्स सफाई के लिए, तो आप लोग लिखें. Come to the next page. Page number 14. And here they are saying about clothes. Our clothes. We must also keep our clothes clean. आप लोग भी अपने कपड़ों को साफ रखते हैं स्टूडेंट्स? Yasir and Anam are helping their mother. Look at the picture. They are helping their mother. She is busy washing clothes. Anam and Yasir are hanging them out to dry. Look at Yasir and Anam, they are hanging clothes. When the clothes are dry, the children will fold them neatly. Look at here. They are folding clothes. So you should also try to help your mothers when they are washing clothes. We all wear clothes. Clothes cover and protect our bodies. In the first one picture, look at the picture. ये ड्रेसिंग हमें किस चीज़ का एहसास दे रही है स्टूडेंट्स? यस, सर्दी का. When it is cold, we wear warm clothes. Look at the jacket and cap and gloves, socks. Come to the next picture. When it is hot, we wear light clothes. बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी होती है तो हम थोड़े से हल्के कपड़े पहनते हैं जिसमें हमें गर्मी ना लगे. Third one picture. At school, we wear a uniform. तो इन तीनों पिक्चर में नज़र आ रहा है. देखें, सर्दी है तो हमने गर्म कपड़े पहन लिए, गर्मी है तो हम लोगों ने थोड़े से वो लाइट ड्रेसेस पहन लिए, लाइट क्लॉथ्स पहने, और यहाँ स्कूल जब हम जाते हैं तो यूनिफॉर्म पहनते हैं. लेट्स कम टू द क्वेश्चंस. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 इज व्हिच क्लॉथ्स डू you wear in winter? So which one dress we wear in winter, students? Yes, we wear warm clothes. Very good. And the question number 2 is what clothes do you wear in summer? So, which one dress you wear in summer? Yes, we wear light clothes. Question number 3. Make a list of the clothes you are wearing now. So, student, make a list which dress you are wearing now. Page number 15, work page, unit 2. Look at the pictures below. Match the correct name to each picture. Then tell your teacher what each one is used for. First one is towel, and towel is hair, and it is used for shower. Second one is comb, and comb is used for hairs. This is comb. Match the comb. Soap. Soap is used for, yes, we use soap for wash hands. Match the soap. Toothpaste. Toothpaste is here. Brush your teeth with toothpaste. Match the toothpaste. Fifth one is nail clippers. and nail clipper is here, and we cut our nails with nail clipper. Handkerchief. Handkerchief is here. Match the handkerchief. We use handkerchief for nose. Fill in the blanks. First one is I use dash and dash to wash my hands. So I use soap and water to wash my hands. Second one blank is I use dash to cut my nails. I use nail clipper to cut my nails. Third one, I use a dash to keep my nose clean. I use a handkerchief to keep my nose clean. Fourth one, I brush my dash in the morning and at night. I brush my teeth in the morning and at night. Fifth one is I dash my hair to look neat. I comb my hair to look neat. Pick the correct answer. First one is we wear warm clothes when it is dash. When we wear warm clothes? When it is cold. Number 2. We dash our clothes to make them clean. तो अपने कपड़ों को साफ करने के लिए हम उन्हें वॉश करते हैं. We wash. We wash our clothes to make them clean. Third one, when our clothes have been washed and dried, we should fold them neatly, put them on the floor. Yes, fold them neatly. Come to the next page. Draw cloths on a paper doll. Draw the cloths here. Things you can do. Number 1 is bring empty toothpaste boxes and soap wrap papers to school. Make a display in the classroom. Say what each item is used for. So now you cannot come to school. You can discuss this with your friend and with your family members. Number 2, tell your teacher about how you keep clean. Number 3, cut out dolls' clothes from sheets of colored paper. Hang them on a line in your classroom. Fourth one, talk about your favorite clothes. Practice folding some cloths neatly. Fifth one is draw a picture of yourself in your school uniform. So students, it is a very easy work. You can do this. Let's come to the next page number 17, unit 2, and it is about food. Food. We eat food to make us strong and healthy. स्टूडेंट्स, ये तो आप सबको पता होगा कि फूड हमें स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड हेल्दी बनाता है. फूड हेल्प्स अस टू डू मैनी थिंग्स. फूड के बहुत से फायदे हैं स्टूडेंट्स. हेल्दी फूड helps us to grow. Some foods are grown. Look at the first one picture. Nuts, wheat, a bean plant, and apricot tree. Fruits and vegetables grow on plants. These fruits, these nuts, wheat and bean, apricot, and vegetables grow on plants. अच्छा स्टूडेंट्स, इसके अलावा हम और भी फूड्स जो है खाते हैं. Some foods come from animals, fish and birds. तो हम लोग एनिमल से भी खुराक हासिल करते हैं. फिश, बर्ड्स, कुक मीट. एनिमल से हम लोग गोश्त हासिल करते हैं. फिश. और जो एनिमल्स हम लोग खाते हैं वो ये हैं. हैन है, कोच है, इसके अलावा काव है और दूसरे बहुत से एनिमल्स हैं जो हम खुराक के लिए इस्तेमाल करते हैं. Did you know? Potatoes are one of the top 5 crops grown in the world. Scientists have even tried to grow potatoes on a space shuttle in space. पोटैटो जो है वो क्रॉप में टॉप 5 में है दुनिया में. इवन साइंटिस्ट ने भी इसे ट्राई किया है स्पेस में उगाने के लिए.